In this video clip, we will be staining our dressers. First, we need to blow off our drawers in our project and make sure there's no loose dust on them. This is going to make the stain go on a little bit better. I'm going to be applying my stain with an old rag, and I'm actually going to start with the inside of my drawers, and I'm just going to make sure that there's a pretty thick coat of stain because I want this to be a little bit darker. You want to make sure to get in every edge of your drawer. Once the inside of that drawer has been stained, we're going to go ahead and let that sit for about 5 minutes. And then we're going to come back and just wipe off any excess stain. After the inside of our drawers have been stained, we're going to continue that same procedure with the outside of our drawers. And then with the outside of our dresser. Now you might notice that I have not stained the inside of my dresser. Primarily this is because nobody is ever going to see it. The drawers are going to be in there and you won't be able to see past the drawers even once you pull them out. If you want to stain the inside, that is just fine.